Hello, you're welcome to this course, Advanced Excel for HR Managers and Other Office Managers, and we'll be focusing on pivot tables. Now, pivot tables are very powerful tools that enable us analyze, collate, and present our data in reports that make coherent stories. It does not matter if you're a HR manager, a head of supply chain, a finance director, or a job seeker looking to ace his next interview. Wherever you might be at this point in time, this course is for you if you need to analyze, report, or even make sense of data or reports that have been sent to you. My name is Linda Adiele, and I've had several years of experience managing people. And in the course of this career, I've worked in the oil and gas service sector and the manufacturing sector in Nigeria. I invite you to join me in the classroom. Let's learn about pivot tables.